Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online opportunities and uncovering the top 5 real money-making websites. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these platforms could be your ticket to financial success. So let's jump right in. First up, we have Fiverr. This is a fantastic platform for freelancers offering services ranging from graphic design to writing and even voiceovers. Just set up a profile, list your gigs, and you're ready to start attracting clients. With Fiverr, the more gigs you complete, the higher your reputation, leading to more income opportunities. Next on our list is Upwork. It's similar to Fiverr but offers a broader range of categories. You can apply for jobs posted by clients, or clients can reach out to you directly. Upwork takes a small commission, but with persistence, you can build a steady stream of income. If you're crafty, Etsy is the place to be. This platform allows you to sell handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies. It's a great way to turn your hobby into a money-making venture. Just open a shop, list your items, and reach millions of potential buyers worldwide. For those who love teaching, Teachable provides a platform to create and sell online courses. Whether you're an expert in cooking, photography, or business, you can share your knowledge and earn money. The platform is user-friendly, making it easy to upload content and interact with students. Finally, there's Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a crowdsourcing marketplace where you can complete simple tasks for money. Tasks may include data validation, surveys, and content moderation. It's perfect for those looking to earn a few extra bucks in their spare time. And there you have it, our top 5 real money-making websites. Each platform offers unique opportunities suited to different skills and interests. So why not give them a try? We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money-making tutorials here at Sweet Melodies Peter. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your online earning journey.